Palm sugar is considered an important ingredient in every household's kitchen. With its soft taste, pleasant aroma, and health benefits, palm sugar is frequently used in everyday cooking as well as for coffee making. When comparing it to conventional white sugar, for many Cambodians, palm sugar is better. And so special that since 2019, the Kampong Speu Palm Sugar, or Skor Thnot Kampong Speu in Khmer, has held Geographical Indication (GI) status in the European Union. With a large number of palm trees growing all over the land, and especially in the countryside and rice paddies, harvesting palm tree sap is still common practice in many Cambodian villages. In addition to its sap being turned into palm sugar, every element of the palm tree, which is Cambodia's national tree, is put to use. Its leaves serve to make traditional houses' roofs or walls as well as hats. Its trunk can be used to make small boats, house pillars, small chairs, and day-to-day equipment such as plates, cups, or brooms. Its branches can be turned into decorations. Finally, of course, its sweet sap can be used in many ways, whether in soups or desserts, including cakes, as well as made into wine and vinegar. Palm juice is sweet as it drops slowly from the palm flowers. The flower can be either female or male. Distinguished by their appearance, the male flowers are longer whereas the female ones have round lumps on them. The female flowers will eventually transform into fruits if they last long enough. To obtain those precious droplets from the flower, one must climb to the top of the palm tree using those rudimental bamboo stairs to apply pressure on the flowers so that the juice can flow out. The squeezing technique can be different from place to place.